was an actual severe weather event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, the Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe Weather Awareness encourage the use of this time to activate and review your severe weather safety plans. Think about where you would go and what you would do in the event of an actual tornado. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning for the 2025 Ohio Tornado Drill. This concludes the test. We now resume our normal programming. Warning. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test warning is part of the annual Ohio Tornado Drill. If this was an actual severe weather event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, the Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe Weather Awareness encourage the use of this time to activate and review your severe weather safety plans. Think about where you would go and what you would do in the event of an actual tornado. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning for the 2025 Ohio Tornado Drill. This concludes the test. We now resume our normal programming. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Knox, Erie, Mono, and Wyandotte. This message is for test purposes only. Test. 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 The National Weather Service in Cleveland, Ohio has issued a test message for the Ohio Statewide Tornado Drill. This includes all counties in Ohio and is valid until 10 a.m. This is a test message. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test message for the Ohio Statewide Tornado Drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test message is part of the annual Ohio Tornado Drill. If this was an actual severe weather event,